to extreme weather conditions, the following roads are closed in Douglas County. North Road from Waterville to Browns Canyon. Douglas North Road or Slusser Road from Airport Road to State Route 172. Logan Road from Sproul Road to McNeil Canyon Road. McNeil Canyon Road from Road E Northwest to State Route 172. Bridgeport Hill Road from State Route 172 to Dyer Hill Road. Dyer Hill Road from Bridgeport to Road 28 Northwest. Please avoid these areas. For latest Waterville Plateau Road closures, see Douglas County Sheriff's Office on Facebook.